A medical bankruptcy is filed every 30 seconds and is the number one reason bankruptcy is filed in this country. Do you think this happens by accident? Welcome to the Profit Trap Podcast, Health Insurance Secrets. Now let's rewind. It's the late 1980s. Black Monday just occurred on Wall Street. George Herbert Walker Bush just becomes president. The Back to the Future movie dynasty begins, and we become consumed in this country with this new thing called the cell phone, and the internet goes global. Hello, my name is Vince Faulkner, and I began a 3-decade career as a health insurance expert helping people across this country. One thing I discovered is most people don't realize that health insurance is the largest expense in their lifetime from birth to death, even longer than a mortgage on a home. Or that medical bankruptcy is the number one reason bankruptcies are filed in this country, with over 26% of all bankruptcies being filed is a medical bankruptcy, with one being filed every 30 seconds. Now here's a question I have for you. Do you think that happens by accident? One thing became very clear and apparent is that during your lifetime, whether you have a college degree or not, you are never taught how the health insurance industry really works. Over the next 10 episodes, we're going to unlock those closed doors and expose the truth you were never supposed to know in order to protect yourself, your family, your assets, and your future. Welcome to the Profit Trap Podcast, Health Insurance Industry Secrets, for anyone who will ever own or use health insurance in their lifetime. From the author of The Profit Trap, Secrets the Health Insurance Industry Doesn't Want You to Know. Who should listen to or watch this podcast? Everyone. Whether you're an individual, self-employed, small business owner, entrepreneur, graduate from high school or college, downsized and laid off employee, downsizing employers, consumers with pre-existing conditions, senior citizens, employers, or anyone who will ever own or use health insurance in your lifetime needs to know this valuable information to protect yourself, your family, your assets, and your future. What will you learn with this podcast? Everything you must know when owning health insurance from birth to death. This valuable information will help you protect yourself, your family, your assets, and your future. Please see the topics that will be covered on this page and the next one. More valuable information you will learn with this podcast. Everything you must know when owning health insurance from birth to death. Coming March 31st, 2019. Like us, follow us, share us, subscribe to us, and download us. The Profit Trap Podcast, Health Insurance Industry Secrets. You can find us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, our podcast, and the website. Depending on the media venue you are viewing right now, you may find the links below. Get connected today so you don't miss out on any of this must-have, need-to-know information to protect yourself, your family, your assets, and your future.